Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to make a card using some stamps from Visible Image. So this is the first stamp I'm going to use. It is called Love is Love. So taking the stamp and then just a scrap piece of white paper here. I'm going to take some fireworks and lilac posies, and then I'm just going to spray some of this onto my mat. Oops, need that. I'm making a bigger mess than I wanted to. And then taking the stamp, this is actually the back side, so it's not the side that actually has the stamp on it, the solid side of it. I'm just going to put that into that, and then just press it right down onto the paper. Might do that top part just a little bit more. So like that, so I get a watermark print. Okay, so now that that is good and dry, I am putting it into my Misti and using the opposite stamp of what I just used. So I'm actually going to use it the normal way and put it right over that watermark. And then using some VersaFine Clair and Nocturne, I'm just going to stamp right over that. And then you can see I have a watermarked typer. It looks like I colored it in with watercolors. And now I just want to tear this out. I don't want it to be perfect. So like that. Okay, so next I'm going to use the Visible Image stamp set. This is called Scripted Streets. So one is the script, and then this is like a street, but I'm going to use the script one right here. And I'm going to stamp it with VersaMark. I can get it out of there. There we go. And I'm actually going to stamp this entire piece, going all the way up and down. And then I am going to heat emboss it with some white embossing powder. So you can sort of see that on there now. So now using some Memento in Lilac Posies, which was the same color that I did for the fireworks, and using a blending brush, I'm going to go add some adhesive on the back of this. There we go. So I'm going to use blending brush. I'm actually going to blend this pretty heavily. And then I'm just going to take a paper towel and go right over the top of it to wipe that ink off of the white embossing powder. So that will be on there like that. And then next, I am going to layer this up on top of the black piece, and then again on top of this white piece right here, but on the outside edges from where the black piece is going to be, which is maybe about a ½ inch on either side right here. So I know how much is going to stick out. I just want to do lightly with the pink. It's okay that I'm going in here because this is going to be covered up with the black paper. use my Xyron Mega Runner and adhere this all together. And here is my card completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I would always love for you to subscribe, and a thumbs up is always appreciated too. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.